Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a TPU protector for Galaxy S21 Plus. This is the TPU protector, the bottom part, the dry and the wet wipes. So first we put the phone on a flat table and we clean with this wet wipe. We clean with a little bit of pressure just to make sure that all the dirtiness from the screen will go away. And then we take the dry wipe and dry the screen. Again, we're using some pressure, and we have to make sure that there are no foreign surfaces left on the screen. It should be perfectly clean, no dust, nothing. This will help the procedure for installing the protector later. After cleaning the surface, we install the bottom part, which is the alignment for the protector itself, and then we put the protector inside these alignments. As you can see, we navigate from the front camera and then we press in the middle. There is like a sticker in the middle, on the bottom part, just to make sure that the protector is now on its place. See how the color change where I press. That means the sticker have been like fully stick down to the screen, and this is good now. Now we apply the pressure tool and we lift the part number 1, and then we just push forward. We press down and push forward. If you're doing this for first time, do it slowly. If you experience, you can just do it in one go, no problems. The white foil on top helps you to see if there are any bubbles. We do the same for the second part, and we just push down. As you can see, I'm using pressure, that's why the phone is moving down. So let me just put the phone up. Okay, now you can see. Slowly with pressure and down. Slowly with pressure and down. That's it. So the protector now it's fully applied. So let's remove the alignment part. Let's take this big bubble out and let's check now for any other bubbles, like any small bubbles. You can see one. Yes, there is one bubble. So this bubble, we have just to clean it. That's it. This bubble goes. And now it's time for see the results. We take out this foil and there you go. The protector is fully installed. It's perfectly fine. There are no bubbles at all, which is great. Great. Nothing better, guys. Thanks for watching. This is Quick Phone. See you in the next tutorial video.